There are two distinct ways to reduce the damage from failure. One is to average across many outcomes, so that individual losses cancel out. The other is to change the wiring of the system, so that a single failure does not bring down the whole. These are not the same operation, and they fail in different ways. In a parallel system, each component is either working or it has stopped. The system keeps running as long as at least one component is still working. Two components give four possible combinations of states. Only one combination, both stopped, brings down the system. The system state is determined by the component states. When two components fail independently, both have to fail at once for the system to go down. That joint probability can be very small, but when both components share a common cause of failure, they tend to fail together. The more correlated the failures, the closer the parallel system behaves to a single component. Redundancy dissolves. Once a system has fully collapsed, there is no path back. Failure is not a bad draw in a sequence of outcomes. It is a state that persists. Averaging good and bad outcomes only applies before collapse. After the absorbing state is reached, future expectations are irrelevant. The game has ended. A chain of components is only as strong as its weakest link. Every additional component in a series adds one more point of failure. More links means lower survival probability in the long run. In a parallel arrangement, the opposite is true. Each extra component gives the system one more chance to survive. The two topologies move in opposite directions as you add components. Redundancy only works when failures are independent. Once failures share a common cause, the benefit disappears, and no amount of averaging can protect a system from reaching a state it cannot leave. The structure of the system matters more than the distribution of individual outcomes. That is where the model breaks.